Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on the YouHodler application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouHodler application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your biometrics or your PIN code. Now, after you have been logged into your account, you will end up on the Wallets page, from which you can simply tap on your profile at the top left corner and you will be able to find various features. Go ahead and scroll down and you will find referrals and bonuses. You can tap on it and you will find the section where you can add your friends to get bonuses. Simply tap on the blue screen and now you can tap on invite friends. This will now show you your referral code, which you can copy and share with your friends, and once they open up a new account and use your code, you will get your bonus. You can also tap on share referral link and you will be able to share your direct link in any platform, from which your friends can simply tap on it to download and join YouHodler, and you will get your bonus. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to refer a friend on YouHodler. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.